nih kesiapan kalian belajarnya? Ada sampah tidak? Coba dilihat. Very good. Okay. Before you go to school, have you had breakfast?
Yes.
Sarapan kalian semua?
Yes.
Oke. Siapa yang tadi pagi diantar sekolahnya sama ayah, ibu, atau sama kakak? Waduh, hebat. Kemudian siapa yang berangkat sendiri? Hari berangkat sendiri? Naik apa?
Angkot, Miss.
Naik angkot. Hati-hati ya, be careful. Kalau kamu berangkat ke sekolah naik angkot, hati-hati. Oke. Before we start our class today, let's pray together. Wahyu, where is Wahyu? Can you lead the prayer today, please?
Attention please. Before we study, let's pray. Pray begin. Finish. Read to our teacher.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, now I will check your attendance today. Who absent today? Who absent today?
Altaf and Siska.
Altaf and
Siska.
Why?
Six.
Okay. Altaf 6. Siska 2. Okay, thank you. Okay. I will check your name. When I call your name, please you tell me how do you feel today. Oke, di sini akan absen nama kalian satu-satu. Nanti ketika nama kalian dipanggil, kalian boleh menyebutkan how do you feel today. Bagaimana perasaan kalian pagi ini. Oke? Di sini start with Adam, Yati Mulia.
Present, Miss.
Yes. What do you feel today?
I'm good.
I'm good. Okay. Alvin Valentino.
Present, Miss.
Okay. Renata.
Present is answer.
Nervous. Okay. Siska. Siska berarti Siska sip. Okay. Siti Nurafia.
Present is
Relief. Okay. Siti Sarifah Tisya.
present is smile.
Smile. Okay. Sebelum hari.
Present, Miss. Also.
Awesome. Okay. Wafi.
Okay. Amazing.
Amazing. Okay. Wahyu Dwi. So wonderful. Good. Jakaria. Confused. Confused. Kenapa? Tidak bisa. Belajar kita sama-sama ya sayang ya. And the last is Jati Mubarak. Confident. Confident. Okay. Good. Okay. Now, have you ever read some story? Yes. What do you kind of story you read?
Maling Bunda.
Maling Kundang, good. Any else? Yes, Snow White. And then?
Cinderella.
Yeah?
Cinderella.
Cinderella. And then? Oh, Bambi. Okay. Okay. Today I will learn about that story. Yeah, that story you can mention it is narrative text. Itu semua yang barusan kamu sebutkan judul-judulnya itu namanya teks naratif sayang. But the last meeting minggu yang lalu kita sudah bercerita, sudah mempelajari pelajaran apa? Siapa yang ingat?
Recontext.
Recontext. Thank you by Haki. What is recontext? Ayo, siapa yang tahu recontext itu apa? Recontext is yes.
menceritakan tentang bagaimana suatu yang sudah kita di masa lalu.
Masa lalu. Something happened in the past event. Jadi recontext itu to retell something happened in the past event, untuk menceritakan kejadian-kejadian yang di masa lalu diceritakan hari ini. But today, kalau hari ini kita belajarnya bukan lagi recontext, kita udah maju lagi, kita masuk ke dalam genre yang berikutnya atau jenis teks yang berikutnya, yaitu naratif teks. Okay, now please watch this video. Now we will watch this video. You can turn on your seat. Kamu boleh berputar supaya badan kamu enggak ini. Silakan diputar kursinya. Kita lihat videonya, oke?
King and his daughters. In a kingdom far, far away lived a king and his 3 daughters. The king loved them very much, for they were good and beautiful girls. But one day, he decided to test how much they loved him. The king gathered his daughters around him and asked each of them the same question.
How much do you love me?
"Oh, father," said the eldest daughter, "I love you as much as all the diamonds and all the rubies in the world, and more,"
That is excellent.
said the king happily. "Dear father," said the second daughter, "I love you as much as all the gold and silver in the world, and more,"
Wonderful.
said her father, and smiled. Then it was the youngest daughter's turn. "My father and king, I love you as much as all the salt in the world, and more." The king was very surprised at her answer.
What did you say? I think I must have misheard you.
Frowned the king. "I said that I love you as much as salt," repeated the youngest daughter.
How dare you? Your sisters love me as much as diamonds and gold, and you love me as little as salt,
said the king angrily.
Leave this kingdom right now and never come back.
The little princess hid herself in the woods, but she soon got very tired. She sat on a log and started to cry when a prince who was passing by on his steed heard her. As soon as he saw the pretty princess, the young prince fell in love with her. The prince took her to his castle and soon asked her to marry him. The young princess told him that she would only marry him if her father, the king, came to the wedding. "Sadly, my father is angry with me and has told me never to return to his kingdom," she explained.
Don't worry, my darling. I will send him an invitation to our wedding, and when he arrives, we will teach him a lesson,
said the prince, and immediately sent a wedding invitation to the king. But the clever prince didn't write that he was marrying the king's youngest daughter. So when the wedding day came, the king arrived. He sat at the banqueting table in the place of honor next to the prince. Then he was served a meal which looked absolutely delicious. But when the king came to taste it, he frowned and cried out,
This meal has no salt in it. I can't eat it.
At once a person wearing a veil brought him salt and said, "Here you are, my king. I hope that the meal will taste better now." The king immediately recognized her voice. The salt bearer lifted her veil, and the king saw his youngest daughter. He understood at once what the prince and princess wanted to teach him. Ashamed of what he had done, the king begged his daughter to forgive him. The princess cried out in joy, "Oh, my father, I forgive you, and I love you with all my heart." They hugged each other, and the king, the prince, and princess
about that story.
Good.
Do you think it's interesting? Menyenangkan? Bagus? There is moral value in that story? Ada pesan moralnya enggak? Ada. Bagaimana? sayang? Apa pesan Maria? What is the moral of your story? Apa? Anyone? Siapa yang tahu? Tadi kan udah cerita tuh bagaimana cintanya seorang anak kepada ayahnya as his parent. Ya, kayaknya kok jadi sepi. Kita berdiri dulu semuanya, coba stand up, stand up, stand up. Oke, siap, boleh menghadap ke sini semuanya, melihat ke sini. Oke, this is introduction. If I say green, you must be clapping once. If I say blue, you clapping twice. But if I say red, no clapping. Okay, ready? Ready. Ready? Ready. Okay, good. Green. 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 Red. Okay, focus, please. Be focused. Kalau red ditahan. Okay, blue. 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 Red. Satu orang aja yang ada fokus di grup ini. Ayo ulang lagi. Satu kali. Okay, now please attention for our lesson today. You can turn around your seat. Boleh diputar dulu kursinya sayang. Ya, kita grup sudah main grup ya. Kita sudah dulu berkelompok ya sayang ya dari pertemuan kemarin ya kita sudah dulu berkelompok. Okay, this is narrative text. Our lesson today. What is narrative text? Apa sih tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini? Kita belajar narrative text untuk apa? Coba kita lihat. Okay, this is our rules, our course. Learn narrative text. Anyone can read this tujuan pembelajaran naratif? Oh, Baik Haki again. Okay, silakan Baik Haki.
Tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini: 1. Peserta didik memahami pengertian, struktur umum, dan fitur bahasa dalam teks naratif. 2. Peserta didik menganalisis struktur umum dan kesan moral pada teks naratif.
Oke, jadi teks naratif ini adalah kind of genre, macam dari teks ya. There are 5 genre atau there are 5 kind of text. Ya, we can learn in 9th grade. Kita belajar ada 5 sebenarnya teks. Ada deskriptif, kita sudah pelajari. Kemudian kemarin kita pelajari report dulu sebelum report teks yang kita bercerita tentang apa? Bekantan ya, kemarin bekantan, gorila, orang hutan. And then record. Yang kemarin terakhir apa? Kita belajar apa di konteks? Ayo, yang di buku. My apa sayang? My first experience atau my first snorkeling experience ya, experience ya, ada di buku kalian. Okay, now we learn about narrative text. This is tujuan pembelajarannya. Yang pertama, peserta didik memahami pengertian, struktur umum, fitur bahasa, dan teks naratif tersebut. Kemudian yang kedua, peserta didik menganalisis struktur umum dan pesan moral pada teks naratif. Oke, kita lihat lagi. What is the narrative text? Siapa yang bisa bacakan? Afia, Wahyu, Kesia, boleh dibacakan? Wahyu, can you read this? Ya, silakan.
A type of text.
Yang keras boleh, biar temennya dengar.
A
Ya.
type of text that tells a story with a clear chronological order of events. Its primary purpose is to entertain the reader.
Thank you. Jadi, dalam teks itu apa? Itu adalah sejenis cerita. Ceritanya di dalamnya itu menceritakan kisah kronologikal atau kejadian-kejadian yang terjadi. Dan tujuannya, remember, this narrative text purpose-nya only to entertain the reader, hanya untuk menghibur para pembaca. Oke? Oke, now this is struktur umum, generic structure of narrative text. The first is the first is orientation, the second is complication, the third is resolution, and reorientation. What is reorientation? Reorientation is moral value of the story. Jadi di reorientation itu ada pesan moral dalam satu cerita. Oke, next. Orientation. Apa sih yang ada di orientation? Orientation that is set on stage. Who, when, where, and then character in the story, and then time. Ya, waktu pada cerita itu kapan, and then place or location, how the story happen. It is orientation, and then the second is complication. Here come the problem of the story. Jadi ada permasalahan yang timbul dalam satu cerita. The third is resolution. Resolution adalah problem solve. Ada permasalahan yang dalam cerita itu terselesaikan, ada yang tidak, ada yang menggantung. Oke? Jelas? Jelas. Sepi banget sih sampai sini. Ya, tepuk the best. Bisa tepuk the best? Coba tepuk the best. I am the best. You are the best. We are the best. I am the best. You are the best. We are the best. Yes. Okay, we continue. Now the fourth. Reorientation. What did we learn from the story? What is the moral value of the story? Okay? Okay, until here. Any question? No? Any question? Okay, tidak ada yang bertanya. Baik, now time. Macam-macam dari narrative text. The first, legend, folktales, fable, myth. Ya, ada legenda, ada cerita rakyat, ada fable, ada juga satu fairy tales, cerita tentang peri-peri. Siapa yang bisa menyebutkan example of fairy tales? Tinkerbell. Oke, Niels. Ada lagi? Ada lagi cerita peri-peri? Apa? Apa? Cinderella, Snow White, Sleeping Beauty. Itu semua adalah cerita-cerita putri kidul. Ya, apa? Cerita dari fairy tale. Cerita tentang peri-peri. Oke. This is the language method of narrative text. The first, using past tense. The third, using adverb of time. Ada one day, a long time. Kemudian using adjective. Adjective itu kata sifat brave, dark, bright, shiny. Ya, oke. Kemudian using noun phrase. Ada calm water, bright sun, etc. Oke. Ini bahasa yang digunakan, struktur bahasa yang digunakan, ya. And then I have a story. This is story of you can guess. Cerita apa nih kira-kira nih? Cerita apa ya? Linda. Okay, right. Now, please recheck which one is correct order from the story. From that story, which one? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Coba kira-kira yang pertama, yang sebagai orientation, which one?
Dua.
Yang mana? Number 2.
However, when she approached him, Malin was ashamed of her poor appearance, and Daniel denied that she was his mother.
Okay, now the last part is siapa yang membacakan sayang? Boleh? Renata boleh? Silakan.
The old woman prayed to God to punish her and bring full sight. Soon after, a storm came and all around she was destroyed. He turned into stone as punishment. Punishment for disobeying and disrespecting his mother.
Disrespecting his mother. Okay, so correct order is number 2, 4, 1, 3, 5. Okay, good. Now I will ask you about the story from Sumatera. Di mana yo? Dari Sumatera apa? West Sumatera. Dari Sumatera Barat. Okay. Okay, now I will give you this. Boleh sudah berkelompok saya? Kelompok baik. I have 6 envelope. You can choose one group, one envelope. Ya, misalnya punya 6 nih, kamu boleh memilih. Please come here, the leader of the group. Silakan. Yang ketuanya setiap kelompok boleh maju, boleh mengambil satu. Okay, now please discuss your story and please Oke, nanti kalian boleh buka, envelopnya udah dibuka ya? Harusnya tadi bukanya sama-sama warnanya baru dibuka. Oke, it's okay, Bapak. Nanti silakan kalian discuss with your group, with your friend in your group, and kamu tempelkan susun ceritanya. Where is the origination? Where is the complication? And where is resolution and moral value? Oke? Any question? Ada yang mau bertanya? Sudah jelas semuanya? Oke. Semua two, three, lemnya punya glue-nya? Do you have glue? Punya lemnya? Silakan. Ya. Find where is the orientation, where is the complications, where is the resolution, and where is the moral value. Okay, now you can give the glue and stick in here. Oke, finish? Finish? Sudah selesai sayang? Oke. Kalau sudah selesai kita mau presentasi ya. Jadi silakan nanti ganti. Presentasi in front of the class. Oke, group one. Jadi, kita acak aja deh. Ya, kita acak. Boleh tidaknya ke depan lagi. Yuk kita acak dulu. Tidak
Sayang, perkenalkan dulu teman-teman. Today I want to tell you about the story with title and activities. But before we want to
Presentation. Siapa handphonenya, Kek? Nanti setelah selesai kumpulkan lagi ya, HP-nya ya. Terus boleh ini, dia siapa? Boleh diambil HP-nya. Akhirnya, oke, this is. Yang ini? Boleh? Okay, now please scan QR quiz. Kita definisi dulu, silakan. Kerjaan ya. Please doing this quiz for yourself sendiri aja, gak usah kerja samanya.
Boleh dekat ke sini?
Sini ya, handphonenya ya. Oke, now biasanya ini masih punya yang harus kalian kerjakan ya. Kalau sudah selesai, silakan kalian isi ini. Boleh diisi, ini isinya individu. Ya, this is isinya sendiri-sendiri ya sayangnya, tidak berkelompok kosong. Silakan tulis nama kalian. I only give you 5 minutes. Misalnya dikasih waktu 5 menit. Masing-masing ya, tidak berkelompok. Oke, baik. Oke, kemudian boleh duduk siap kembali. Kita mau mendengar. Don't forget collect your reports. Ya. Handphonenya jangan lupa dikumpulkan lagi. Oke, terima kasih. tipenya? Ayo. Tipenya berapa? Ada berapa macam? Yang pertama the first is letter, bubble, terus hotel. Oke, coba diulang lagi. Yang pertama hotel, Mint, legend, fairy, Oke, good. Language leadernya apa tadi? Ayo, language leadernya apa tadi? Nih, kalau lupa bisa dikasih tahu. Ini apa? Ini type-nya. Ini apa tadi? Apa? Using? And then? Oke, and then? Okay, that's enough for today. And please remember, please you read the next chapter or the next meeting ya. Nanti setelah ini kalian baca chapter berikutnya masih tentang naratif teks about apa? Princess ada di buku. So apa itu? Coba lihat. Open your book. Open your book. Open your book. Ayo, ceritanya apa? Ini